Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Thank you for being with us. What happens to your body when you lead a sedentary lifestyle? Simple question. We spend an average of 6 to 10 hours a day in front of a computer, and then we stare at our phones. This is slowly destroying our bodies from the inside. How exactly? Heart and lung problems start to surface, and blood circulation slows down. The risk of hypertension and shortness of breath increases. The risk of obesity and gastrointestinal issues goes up as well. Your metabolism slows down. You develop a tendency to overeat. The risk of varicose veins, thrombosis, and pulmonary embolism increases, basically blood stagnation in the legs from sitting too long. Insomnia sets in. The brain gets oxygen deprived, fatigue builds up, and concentration drops. Your posture suffers, bringing pain and stiffness. Spinal problems and kyphosis follow. Constipation, hemorrhoids, and prostatitis appear. All of this is caused by the constant pressure that sitting puts on the pelvic organs. So what can you do? If you have a desk job, you need to get up and stretch every 30 to 40 minutes. Do some light stretching and keep a constant eye on your posture. Even small habits can sometimes work better than any medication. Stay with us.